And they're off. Captain Beep Beep broke sharply from the outside. Also on the outside, that's Ocean Front. Mr. Rodriguez moving up from between horses. It's given the odds. Dr. Ireland on the inside. Down the back stretch, Captain Beep Beep is in front. Dr. Ireland is second. From between horses, given the odds is third by a head. First Shadow on the outside runs fourth. Ocean Front fifth. Mr. Rodriguez is now sixth. Noble Bid runs seventh. Then from the outside, that's Goldie's Prince. Two back to Pampero Storm, followed by My Harlequin Man in April 1, 23-1 for the opening quarter. Down along the inside, that's still Captain Beep Beep. From between horses, First Shadow, given the odds right there in third. Ocean Front now runs fourth. They're into the stretch. From the outside, that's First Shadow, who now puts ahead in front. Here comes Pampero Storm and Ocean Front. Late front run from Mr. Rodriguez. It's Pampero Storm in front. Mr. Rodriguez and Ocean Front. Pampero Storm wins by 2.5. Mr. Rodriguez second. Ocean Front third. Late run from April 1.